In this segment, we're going to cover installing the distributor cap and plug wires. And we took them off as an assembly. It makes them real easy to put back on. First step, we're just going to very carefully slide the distributor cap back into its position. And by leaving everything in the loom, it just lays right into place. Almost impossible to mix up the plug wires. You just go by length. And I just lay them out in their order, one by one. And once you get everything in there, set up correctly, then just gradually wiggle and push them down. And they should snap. There's a cap and a locking ring on the very top, and that will seal them from the upper side and keep the contaminants out. So after you push it all the way down, you'll feel a little snap as that inner terminal on the plug wire connects to the plug. And then if you push down at the bottom of the boot, you can snap it over that ring. And I'll move down to cylinder number 2. Same procedure. And each time, feel for that, you'll feel a little snap. It's kind of predominant in the end of the boot, and that lets you know that the terminal connected correctly. Once I've got them all down and secure, I'll slide this plastic plug wire loom back onto its holder, and then I have to insert these wires, the long ones, into this holder. Okay, we've got the plug wires installed. The only thing remaining is to install the 3 screws that hold on the distributor cap. So I'll stick the first one in and start it by hand. The other top one. And that bottom one, it's kind of hard to get to it sometimes. It can be a little frustrating, just be patient. And I just want to continue tightening those down by hand. And once I get them snugged up, I'll just give them an extra turn with the ratchet. And you can also use a Phillips screwdriver on these. I just like the socket, the 8mm socket, better because it won't slip off, especially on the lower one where you're doing everything kind of by feel. That will conclude installing distributor cap and plug wires. Please watch our next segment on installing the tire and wheel.